So one thing that, all of this kind of has in common is you can invest in it to start with. And yeah, there might be an initial startup cost of the planning process and, getting all the backups in place, having everything where it needs to be. But do you want to invest in that, or do you want to have to pay the cost of everything failing? And one of that is the investing in the training and the mentoring.
There's several areas there. And I think one of the earlier at Stedman SQL School, we've got about 10 classes there now. But one of the earlier classes I built was our backup and recovery class. And the key is so many people focus on backups. That class really focuses on making sure you're in a position to do the recovery when something happens. And that, I mean, people ask me, well, what can I do to get a little bit stronger in my skills? Well, I think the number one thing you can do is learn how to do good backups, and that class can help you with that, both with on-premise, off-premise, cloud-based backups, all those kind of things. Now, some people need a little bit more help, and that's where we offer mentoring hours. And that's one of those things that if you need help to learn and you don't know how to do it yourself, you can book us where you buy a 4-hour block, and then we can use 15 minutes here, 20 minutes there until you use it up. That's going to just help you with whatever it is that you might be working on. If you've got some reporting services thing you're trying to do, we could do that. If you're trying to figure out how to get your backups and are your backups in good position, well, we can help you with our mentoring hours. And then for those who are in our managed services, keep in mind that that also includes mentoring hours and free online courses for everyone in your team. So if you have one SQL Server under managed services on a monthly basis, everyone on your team has access to all of our classes, as well as mentoring hours, certain number of mentoring hours based on the number of servers. So doing what you can, invest in your team, invest in yourself to become stronger in what you do through training and different mentoring options.